So today's video is very simple. I'm gonna give you this free Amapiano drum loops, but big shout out to PBA for producing such an amazing drum loops. Alright, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. So this drum loops comes with their BPM. Alright, watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip the file. Alright, so I'm gonna walk you through this. So the first one is 112 BPM. So let's change that to 112. Let's listen to that. Change this to song mode. Alright, so this one too is 112. So let's listen to that. Okay, this one too is 112. Download it free from the link. Let's check another one which is 112 here. Let's see if we can get another 112 before we change the BPM. So you can download this for free. Let's try this one too. Crazy, man. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So just download it and drag it and use it for your Amapiano beat. Let's check the fourth one, which is also 112 BPM. Alright guys, so I'm gonna change the tempo to 111. Okay, 111. Accept that, yes. So let's check those with the 111 BPM. Alright, watch the video to the end because I'm gonna show you how to change this tempo to whatever that you want. Okay, download it for free. Watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip it. Another 111. Alright, so another 111. Let's listen to that. I really love it. Okay, now I'm gonna change the tempo to 113 BPM. Alright, accept that. So 113, let's listen to this. Very nice. Another 113. Another 113. Okay, another 113. Okay, the trick that you can use to change the BPM to whatever that you like. Assuming we take this one, which has a BPM of 112. Let's listen to that first. Alright, so the next thing you're gonna do is to double click and change this to auto. If it is not, change this, make sure it is auto. Alright, so to change this to whatever BPM that you need or you want, just go to tools, macros, then switch all audio clips to real time stretching. Okay, so select this, hit OK. Then now you can change it to whatever tempo that you want. So I'm gonna go to 110. Very simple like that, guys. So now it is 110 BPM. You can drag it to 115, whatever that you want. Let's increase it so that you see the difference. Alright, so this is how to change the BPM to whatever that you want. Go to tools, macros, switch all audio clips to, then select this and come and choose the tempo that you want. Alright guys, so this is the free Amapiano drum loops that you can just drag it and drop it and start making your Amapiano beat. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. The name is Godsize, still a solution carrier. Big shout out to PBA for producing such an amazing drum loops. Alright, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.